Hi everyone, good evening. This is Mandar, Chief Mentor for IMS GET SET LAW. And today, as you all know, AILET has come up with their form for the year 2023. Now, AILET has thrown a surprise this year. Everybody was expecting that CLAT will happen in the month of December, but again, AILET is going to happen in December, before CLAT in fact, on 11th of December, and today, because the form has come out, we thought that we'll get you the form and the form filling process as soon as possible. So we are there with you on 7th of September when the form has come out. So what I'll do as part of today's session is that I will make you go through a few of the important things that you should keep in mind if you are planning to write the AILET exam. And then I will show you the step-by-step form filling process. Now, AILET form is a pretty easy form, so you need not worry about much of these things. The details are pretty easy, and as I said, I will show it to you one by one how you are supposed to fill the form. Okay, so let's begin by understanding a few details with respect to the 5-year law program which is offered by NLU Delhi. Now, as you know, the exam date is 11th of December. The registration window has started today and will be open till 15th of November. So you need not worry. You need not be in a hurry also to fill this form. Get all the documents ready if you're writing your exams right now. You can finish those exams first, and then if you believe that you want to fill the AILET form, go ahead with it. Now, I want to tell this to all the students from all across the country who are watching or who will be watching the recording later on. Keep in mind that NLU Delhi is one of the top ranked NLUs in India. So irrespective of where you come from, apart from the CLAT exam and apart from the top NLUs in India, this university, this NLU should definitely be your choice. Whether you ultimately want to go there or not is something that you can decide later on, but by not filling the form at all, you will end up losing on an opportunity to get into such a wonderful college, right? So please fill the AILET form, write the exam for the experience sake. If you believe that Delhi is something where you want to come and where you want to study, why not? It's a wonderful college, top 5 colleges in India. You should go ahead with it, okay? So which are the programs offered by NLU Delhi? So the major program that all of you will be going for is the BA LLB program. Now a lot of students were asking me, sir, NLU Delhi doesn't offer BBA LLB, so should we go ahead with it? See, keep in mind, BA or BBA don't decide what kind of lawyer you're going to be in future or what kind of job you're going to get in future. It's about the LLB, and from where do you do that LLB, which is going to decide ultimately your career and your future, right? So don't decide a college on the basis of whether you're getting a BA LLB from there or a BA LLB from there. BA or BB are quite easy for the first few semesters, and it won't be a problem for any student irrespective of which field you come from, okay? Now let's look at the seats matrix at NLU Delhi. This will give you an idea about your chances also, but irrespective of what the number of seats are, you should definitely try for such a wonderful college. Now, if you look at the general category, there are 50 seats, out of which 5%, close to 3 seats are available for PWD under the general category. For OBC, 24 seats, SC, ST, 17 and 8 seats. We have the EWS quota also at NLU Delhi, 11 seats there. And of course, PWD category has 5% share in each of these seats. There are seats for Kashmiri migrants, residents of Jammu and Kashmir, and as well as foreign nationals. Now, foreign nationals need not give the AILET exam. Their admission process is separate, and the total number of seats are 123. Now, if you look at the eligibility, there is no upper age limit for AILET 23. 10 plus 2, 45% marks for general OBC category and 40% marks for SC, ST and PWD. Keep in mind that this will be seen when you finally take admission in the month of May and June, so you need not worry about your eligibility right now. All you need to be is in the class 12 standard, appearing for the board exams, and you can comfortably write this exams and you are eligible for admission. Candidates who are appearing in the qualifying exam or waiting for results, as I said, are eligible to apply for the 2023 examination. The results of the qualifying exam shall be submitted at the time of admission. So you need not worry right now. That is something that you have to submit later on. The candidates will be selected on merit in case of equal marks. Keep this in mind. A lot of times in either CLAT exam or AILET exam, you will come across a lot of students who are either on the same score or on the same rank because of the same. They have a method to break the tie. So generally, because of the change in pattern for NLU Delhi, higher marks in the logical reasoning section will determine who has a higher rank. So keep this in mind that this is one subject that you have to master. If that is same, then they look at higher age is given preference. And if even that is same, then they go for computerized draw law. So this is again something which you might be aware of. Now, important dates, as I said, the online registration begins on 7th of September and will go on till 15th of November. So you have sufficient time. The exam will take place on multiple centers on 11th of December. Admit cards will come out on 22nd of November 2022. The date of the result, etc. has not come out yet. So whenever that is out, we will update you with respect to the dates also. Now, what is going to be the test pattern for NLU Delhi? As you know, the total number of marks are 150. The duration of the exam is going to be 90 minutes. So when you look at the CLAT exam, you get 120 minutes there. But in NLU Delhi, you only get 90 minutes. On top of that, there is also negative marking of 0.25 in NLU Delhi. So you need to take care of all of those things when you prepare for this exam. Now, this year in 2022, the pattern of NLU Delhi exam, the AILET exam changed. And now if you look at the pattern, you will find that out of 150, English language comprises of 50 marks, current affairs including general knowledge comprises of 30 marks, and logical reasoning section, which will also have the legal questions, because they have stated that logical reasoning section can have legal principles and all, that will comprise of 70 marks worth of paper. Logical reasoning, which is 70 marks, will also be used as a tiebreaker, so we have to work hard here so that it could be utilized later on. Now, when you look at the form filling process, you need a recent passport size front facing photograph with white background, and you should not wear any cap or goggles while you are taking that photograph. JPEG, JPG, PNG formats not more than 1 MB is what you have to keep with you. You also have to upload a scanned copy of your signature. It should be clear, white sheet with black or blue pen. Only JPEG, JPG format 6 into 3 centimeters. You need to keep all of these things in mind, otherwise the form will not accept your signature or the picture. Format of the name of the candidate, father and mother, should be as in class 10 or equivalent certificate. Okay? So your name, your surname, all of those things should be as per what you have filled in your 10th mark sheet. Keep that in mind. Now, let's begin with the form filling process. And as I said, it's a very easy form filling process. All you need to do is you need to go to nationallawuniversitydelhi.in. This is the website. On the left hand side, you will find something called CLAT 23 registrations. You just click on that and you will reach this page. Okay. Now what you need to do here is you need to click on register. Now when you click on register, you need to put your name, your mobile number, as well as your email ID. Now keep in mind, please put only that email ID as well as mobile number which you frequently use and you check from time to time. Otherwise, all the details which come out, you unfortunately will not be able to get all of those details. So please keep that in mind. Your name should be as per the 10th mark sheet. Put your mobile number as well as email here. and click on register. Now when you click on register, you will get your username, which is essentially your mobile number, along with a 6-digit password. You need not put NLU Delhi, it's just a 6-digit number. Now when you get this SMS, all you have to do is put the registered mobile number at the top, put the password that was sent to you, and click on login. Now when you click on login, it will prompt you to change your password. So whatever password, 6-digit password was given to you earlier, you need to change that password and keep the password very easy so that you don't tend to forget that password. And a lot of students commit this mistake, they put complicated passwords and later on are not able to remember it. Okay? So once you put the new password, it will prompt you to log in again. So put your registered mobile number, put the new password which you had set, and click on login. Now when you click on login, it will prompt you to select the course. Now all the students going for 5-year law will have to select BA LLB Honours as their program and then click on apply. Now when you click on apply button, you will reach the application form. Now in application form, all you need to do is put your basic details. Now let's look at these basic details one by one. You need to first begin with your applicant name in full. You need to put your date of birth in day, month and year. Put your gender, put your mobile number, put your email ID and your category, which is general, SC, ST, OBC or EWS. You will have to select your category. If you belong to the EWS category, you will mark here as yes. If you do not belong to EWS, you will have to write no. Put your nationality, which is Indian. Put your religion here. If you do not belong to PW category, please put a no here. If you do not belong to Kashmiri migrant category, you can put no, as well as no in the next option. It completely depends on your individual category. Apart from that, you need to put your center choices. So it depends on from where you are planning to write the NLU Delhi exam. Just put your center choices, and you need to put 3 center choices. So don't think that you only need to put one and that the only one you will get. In all probability, you will get your first preference, but you need to put the center choice 1, 2 and 3 as part of the form. Now, apart from that, please put your contact details. So you will put your address line in 1 and 2. Put your country, state, your district, your city, as well as your PIN code. Now, in a lot of cases, you will figure out that you live in a particular district of Mumbai or Delhi or wherever you come from. Please figure out that district and you can write that district. City will be your city. In family details, put your father's name, occupation, as well as mobile number. You have to put your father's annual income, email ID, as well as if there is an office address, you can put your office address. Then you have to put your mother's name, your occupation, the mother's occupation, mobile number, any income, email ID. If the email ID is there, you can put it. Otherwise, if you want to put your own email ID, you can put your own email ID also. Now in all of these, keep in mind that there is an asterisk mark, which means that all of this information is compulsorily to be filled. So if you do not have father's email ID or mother's email ID, you can simply put your email ID and it should be sufficient. In case your father's mobile number or mother's mobile number is not there, you can simply put your mother and father's mobile number. Okay? So please keep that in mind in terms of your details. Okay? Now when you go further, they will ask you for academic qualification. Now keep in mind that here what you have to keep in mind is in class 10th, again you have to put your school name, name of the examination, the board, the year of passing, the grading system, maximum marks, the total marks that you have obtained, and it will automatically calculate your percentage of marks. If you want to put your CGPA here, in the grading system you can also select CGPA and you can put your CGPA also. Now what you have to keep in mind with respect to class 12 is, put your school or college's name, put the board. In year of passing, if you are in the 12th standard currently, you will write as appearing. So if you scroll it down at the top, you will find an option called appearing. Please put that option. If you have already cleared your 12th standard, then whichever year you finished your 12th standard, just put that year. I am repeating it for all of you. All the students who are currently in their 12th standard and are filling this form, you have to put appearing in the year of passing. Then if you put appearing, a lot of this marks obtained marks will go away. So you need not fill the marks and all. All you need to do is put your stream as well as the grading system. Okay. This is very important. Please do not commit any mistake here. Okay. Now once you put your academic qualification, you have to upload the photograph and signature as per the details that was given to you. So please put those details and signature, the photograph as well as the signature. Click on the declaration which is given below. You have to click here, and then you have two options. One option is you can save it as draft, so whatever you have filled will remain there. If you have checked everything is correct, then you can go ahead with the next one, which is to submit the form. So you can just click on submit the form and it will take you ahead. Now what you have to keep in mind is, once you submit this form, you can't change anything. So be very careful. Look at all the details before you click on submit form. If you are not very sure, if you want to talk to your parents before you fill the form, click on save as draft instead of submitting the form. Keep that in mind. Okay. Now, as I was telling you, it's written there. Once you submit your form, you cannot make any changes. Please confirm your action. It will give you a pop-up. If you are sure, click on OK, and then your form will be submitted. It will show you that you have successfully applied for BLLB program. It will show you the application number. Your application is submitted, but payment is pending. So if you are sure that you filled all the information carefully, all you have to do is you have to click on make payment and you can go ahead. If you have made any mistake while filling the form, you can click on delete application also. This will completely delete your application and you will have to fill again. So please keep this in mind. Do not commit any mistake, right? Then it will ask you to fill the fee. 3050 rupees is the fee for NLU Delhi form. Whichever suitable payment option you wish to use, please use that payment option and you can fill the form. After completion, so keep this in mind, you need not complete the whole form in one sitting. There is an option to save and continue later. So if you are not very sure, if you want to confirm everything with your parents, then you can save and continue later. Retain hard copy of application form and fee receipt. So whenever you fill the form, you will get it in soft copy. Keep that with you in your laptop or your PC. Registration number and password, please keep it handy. If you have passed your 12th standard, then you need to have your class 12 mark sheet also. If you are applying to a category like SC, ST, OBC or EWS, then you need to have category certificate also. So please keep the category certificate handy. And if you belong to PWD category or Kashmiri migrants or residents of Jammu and Kashmir, please keep all the documents. So whichever category you belong to, please keep all the documents handy in scanned copy in your laptop or PC, so that when you fill the form and if anything is asked, you are able to fill it quickly. Also, the latest character certificate, transfer certificate, this is something that you will get later on. If you have it already, just keep it with you. It will come in handy later on. Keep a soft copy of all of these documents. Okay. So I think more or less it must be clear to all of you how we have to go ahead with the AILET form filling. It's a very easy form, but we have to be very careful when we fill this form. Take help from your parents, sit with them, take 10-15 minutes of their time and fill all the details carefully and correctly. This form filling instruction video will remain on IMS GET SET LAW channel, as well as it will be uploaded on the My IMS portal for all of you. So before you go ahead with the form filling, please watch the video again and then go ahead with the form filling video. We will also be sharing some video series and webinars on prep strategy for AILET 2023. So what strategy you should use, how you should manage time. So time management becomes really important for AILET. So we will be doing a lot of workshops and sessions for all of you in the coming days. So please subscribe to the IMS GET SET LAW channel and continue to support us in helping you crack this exam in future. Thanks everyone, take care, good night, and we'll meet you again with more sessions for AILET, CLAT and other sessions which will benefit you and help you crack the exam. Bye everyone, take care.